How to open Vanguard Index Fund Account. So what you have to do is simply come to the website. So in order to come to the website, if you are in the USA, you put in this URL. If you are from the UK, you put in this URL. At the same time, if you are from Canada, you put in this URL. It's going to bring you right here, and then you come here to where it says open an account. Beside here too, when you scroll down, you can also find it from here, which says open an account, set up online account access, and simply come and then click on open an account. It is going to bring you right here where you can log in or sign up an account for the first time. And over here, all that you have to do is simply come here to I'm new to Vanguard, okay, and under it you see that you have the sign up, and then you come and click on it. So over here you have to come and then select any of these, okay. So it depends on you, you can choose any of them, but you are going to go with the first one, that is open a new account with money from my bank. So you can watch the video, but that is what I'm here for. So let me show you step by step how to go with it. So after selecting it, that is the first one, you can simply come here and then read this, okay. So it means, can you open the account without any money? No, you have to at least fund it with $1, okay. So when you're ready, come and then click on the continue. And then over here we have two ways. You have to come and then select how to manage your account. So we have the first one whereby a Vanguard advisor will help you to manage the account, and then we have the other one whereby you can manage it by your own self, okay. Come and select invest on my own if you want that one, and then over here you have to come and then select your account type, okay. So to select the account type, you have to go through this summary, and that is, you are going to first select the account, and then you have to then provide the personal information, okay. After that, you have to add your bank so that you'll be able to fund the account, okay. This is going to take at least 5 to 10 minutes, and then after you finish creating it, sometimes it will take up to 3 business days before you're able to make any purchase of any product, okay. And then this is the requirement. When you're from USA, you need a permanent US address, okay, and then you need an employment address if applicable, and then you need a social security number. So this is the breakdown. You need SSN, you need US address, then you need your US bank account. That is the requirement from your USA, okay. So beside that, the other ones, that the Canada and then the UK too, they also have their own personal requirement, okay. So that is it. So when you want to invest in ETFs, you can start with $1. When you want to invest with mutual funds, you can start sometimes with at most $3,000. And then when you want to invest in the CDs, you have to start with $1,000, okay. Come and then click on select your account, and then over here you can come and then choose the type of account that you want, okay. They have so many types of accounts. They have the first one, that is individual cash plus. You can select this one. They also have the joint cash plus account as well. They also have the traditional IRA, that is a retirement account, okay, with tax. And then they also have the Roth IRA, that is a retirement account offering tax-free growth and withdrawals. And then they have income limits as well, okay. But we are going to select this one, that is the individual brokerage account, okay. So with this one, you can invest in a variety of assets for any financial goal. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on the open account, and over here you have to come and then fill the details, okay. You have to fill in your first name, if you have a middle name, a last name, if you have a suffix as well, okay, a Mr. and the rest. You put in your email address, and then you come and then put in your date of birth. It has to be the one on your government issued ID card, and then you put in your social security number. You come and then select your gender, either you are a male or female. If you don't want to disclose it, you can select it, okay. And when you are done, all that you have to do is to simply locate the continue here, then you click on it, and then you add funds, and that is it, okay. So this is how to create an account using the Vanguard